Good good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, welcome to this video on Ranthambore National Park. So, after watching this video, you will learn about the location of the national park. Also, I'll tell you few differences between crocodile and alligator. Also, I will tell you about a river that passes through this national park. Also, I will tell you the difference between gypsy and canter and a bird sanctuary that passes through Ranthambore National Park. So, after watching this video, you will learn about this few things. Also, this is the fifth video in this series of national parks. So, if you go to my channel and you search on the playlist, you will find four videos already made on national park. So first is Kanha National Park. You can check those videos out. Then I have also made video on Jim Corbett National Park, Papikonda National Park, and Hemis National Park. So this is the fifth episode in this series. So there are near about close to 100 national parks in India, more than 100. So we'll try to cover as many as possible in future. So today we will all learn about the geography. Not only we will limit our discussion to national park, we will learn about the surrounding information related to the national park. So let us have a discussion on Ranthambore National Park. So at first, can you see the walls on the picture? So this is the Ranthambore wall. So Ranthambore wall was built in 944 AD. So like 1100 years back, this wall was made. So basically the name of Ranthambore or the Ranthambore National Park, it derives from two mountains. First mountain is Run Mountain and the second one is Thumb Mountain. So the national park is located between Run Mountain and Thumb Mountain. So that's the specialty. That is why it is called as Ranthambore or the Ranthambore National Park. So this this is the wall that surrounds the national park. So first of all, when we talk about the national park, let us have a look at the geography. So as you can see in the map, in the back side, you can see that is the map of Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is the state in India that has the largest area. So if in exam a question comes that which state in India has the largest area in terms of land, so the answer would be Rajasthan. And which is the state in India that has the highest population? So that would be Uttar Pradesh. But since this is Ranthambore National Park, our discussion should be limited to Rajasthan. So that's the geography about the Rajasthan. Also in the front side, you can see the tiger. So this national park is very famous for Royal Bengal tiger. So now you might be thinking, why Bengal tiger? So basically the thing is that Royal Bengal tiger is not only limited to the areas surrounding West Bengal or Bangladesh. So it is spread throughout India and Asia. So Royal Bengal tiger, it is very famous for Royal Bengal tiger. So now since we are talking about geography, so the geographically if we see this national park, so Rajasthan is the borders. There are like 5 states which border Rajasthan. I have already told you in earlier. So the trick to remember the states bordering Rajasthan is GUM HP. So G for Gujarat, U for Uttar Pradesh, M for MP, H for Haryana, and P for Punjab. So as you can see, these people are traveling in a jeep. So I will also tell you the difference between canter and a jeep. So when you visit a national park, you can either travel in a jeep or a canter. Always remember. So in canter many people can go, but in jeep only limited people can go. So that is about this photo. Also you can see they are spotting Royal Bengal tigers. So next you can see in the picture. So that's the difference. As you can see in the picture, see in canter many people can go in one canter, but in gypsy or jeep only few people can go. So if you travel in Ranthambore National Park, there are 5 zones to travel. 5 zones, like national park is very big, so they're dividing the national park into 5 different areas. One area is called one zone. So for example, if you're going to zone number 1, that means you are traveling a particular area. So as you can see, so so you can see the river. A tiger is like swimming in a river. So can you tell me the difference between a national park and a biosphere reserve? So basically, if you see, the national park is smaller in size. National park is made for animals, but biosphere reserve is internationally recognized. We have more than 100 national parks in India, but biosphere reserve we have only 18. So national park is a sub of biosphere reserve. So that is the main difference. So in biosphere region you have core region, buffer region and transition region. So biosphere reserve is basically designed to respect environment as well as development. So in national park you cannot have development, but in biosphere reserve you can always have development. So that is about the national park. And uh, so let us see. So if you want to visit Ranthambore National Park, you have to go to this website. So as you can see, so that is fmdss.forest.rajasthan.government.in. So from this it is clear that the Ranthambore National Park is located in Rajasthan. Okay. So as I told you, when you go to the national park, so you can go to the national park either through jeep or through canter. So like if you want to go through jeep, so you have to book earlier, and canter the tickets are available at a later date as well. So as you can see, let us now talk about the animals that are being found, that are found in this national park. Few animals. So first of all, you can see this is the sambar deer. Sambar deer is the most popular animal along with the Royal Bengal tiger in Ranthambore National Park. So also you will find cats, different types of cat, and nilgai also you will find. Okay, and few types of monkeys you will find, and you will find bear, and wild boar. So boar is like a pig, it is larger than pig, but it's very dangerous, it can kill tigers also. So like that is about the animals. Also you'll find a animal called caracal. So caracal has been spotted in Ranthambore National Park. So it has been spotted in last 1 or 2 years. So like it's a newly found animal. So caracal is like cat, but it is bigger than cat and smaller than tiger. So you know no that cats and tigers, they belong to the family Panthera. Okay, Panthera family. So that were about the animals. So cat, nilgai, sambar, bear, wild boar. So those were the animals that are found in Ranthambore National Park. Also there was a tiger, it was named Machli. So Machli was the tiger which once hunted a leopard also. So tiger Machli was one of the most popular tigers found in Ranthambore National Park. And Machli tiger was, I think it died in 2016, and she like is recorded to live for about 19 years. Generally the lifespan of tigers are about 15 to 16 years, but this tiger lived for around 19 years. So that is why it is under records. So one thing, while like visiting a national park, you should know that uh, that entire national park is not available for tourists. You can go to only 20% area. Okay, 80% is conserved for the safety of wildlife. For example, if you are visiting a national park, it does not mean that you will cover the entire 100% of the national park. Okay, only 20% of the national park you can roam around. Rest 70 to 80% you cannot roam. Okay, so another river that flows through this national park, that is Chambal River. Okay, so Chambal River, actually the history of the river is that it is the river that generally divides Gujarat and Rajasthan. So if in exam a question comes that which river divides Gujarat and Rajasthan, then your answer, sorry, it's not Gujarat, it's Rajasthan and MP. So which river divides Rajasthan and MP? So the answer should be Chambal River. So I said Gujarat. No, not Gujarat. Rajasthan and MP is divided by Chambal River. So you know Chambal River is in MP also. It is in Rajasthan also. Okay. So Rajasthan, as I told you, GUM HP is the trick to remember the borders of Rajasthan. So Gujarat, UP, MP, Haryana, and Punjab. And like one side it is internationally, it is surrounded by Pakistan, as you all know. Next, I will tell you a difference between crocodile and alligator. So these are found in this national park. Okay, so basically crocodile is 13 to 14 feet tall, but alligator, they look like crocodile only, but it is 15 to 16 feet tall. So alligator is a bit longer than crocodile. And crocodile generally, why they're like so known, because they can live more than 100 years, and tiger can live only about 20 years, you know. So there is another project which is going on, that is Cane Betwa project, you might have heard. So that is little bit about this national park. So whenever you visit a national park, always remember, so the national park is divided into, or a biosphere reserve, core, buffer, and transition region. In core region, no human activities are allowed, but in transition region, human activities are allowed. You can make industries also. Okay, or you can do human development indirectly. And buffer region is the region connecting core region and transition region. So that was all about this national park. So you know that sambar, as you can see in the photo, sambar deer. So it is a deer, it is the favorite food for tigers, Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, and so they are sambar deer, some are males and some are females, and it is said that the females have the most authentic alarm call whenever they are in danger, so or whenever they think that a prey is nearby. So the sambar deer, they give certain signs, and those signs are very authentic and very popular. So they have the most authentic alarm call in the world. Okay, so sambar deer is the main food of tiger. So animals other than, as I already told you, tiger, leopard, caracal, which is a type of cat, nilgai, sambar, bear, and wild boar. Those are some of the popular animals found in this national park, that is Ranthambore National Park. And Ranthambore National Park is located in Rajasthan. So wild boar, they generally have tusker, and those tusker can kill even tigers too. It is said that when two tuskers are present, then a tiger cannot drink water. But when two tigers are present, then a tusker can drink water. So that is a famous saying. So imagine the strength that it has. Another, as I told you, a bird sanctuary that is present nearby, that is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So if in exam someone asks you where is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, so you would your answer would be, it is in Rajasthan. So Ranthambore is in Rajasthan, Bharatpur bird sanctuary is in Rajasthan. And this Ranthambore National Park is located between Kota and Jaipur. Okay, so there is a region named Savai Madhopur. So this Ranthambore National Park is located in Savai Madhopur. And that's about this. So one more thing, I want you to answer in the comment section that can we make a hotel in core region, and can we make a hotel in buffer region, and can we make a hotel in transition region? So my question, I'm reframing the question for you to answer. I want to make a hotel or a restaurant in a region of a biosphere reserve. So will it be core region, or will it be buffer region, or will it be transition region? So you have to answer me in the comment section. And so this was the 5th video. Already made videos on Kanha and Jim Corbett and Papikonda and Hemis National Park. So I hope that was all for today. Thank you. So like you will really like the video. Also this biosphere reserve was the concept was recognized in the concept of biosphere reserve was recognized in 1971. So that was all for today. Thank you very much.